guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer liked songs to playlist on Spotify. Please click on the subscribe button, it really helps a lot. Click on the Spotify to open up the app, and you click on your library and you click on like songs. Then this is where you do the work. So you pick any songs, and on the right side of the song you're going to see the three dots right there. Click on that and you're going to see add to other playlists. So you click on that, and maybe you have other playlists you've created before. You can just pick on them and add it up. So I'm going to add this to my playlist number 7. Click on the plus sign and it's already added automatically. So let's check it out and see. So I actually added 28 to my playlist 7. I'm going to open up my playlist 7 now and scroll down. So you can see right there that's been added. If you find this guide helpful, give it the thumbs up and subscribe to get my videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.